To add lines or not to add lines? That is the question.
Hey everyone, welcome to Abstract Boss. I know that intro was a little crazy, but my hair is a little insano today, so I thought I'd add a Snapchat filter on just to, make it look a little bit fine. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to show you guys how to get lines or how to decide if you want to put lines on your geode. So if you guys have been following my channel, you know that I've been doing a mermaid geode. So what I did on this inside part is I did a close-up picture that I printed out, and then on the other ones, these are all the exact same picture, okay? So I printed out 3 different ones, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mess with them to see what I want and if it's a good idea. So instead of wasting resin and wasting a whole crap ton of glitter, stuff like that, what I'm gonna do is I am going to glue the edge here and then put the glitter on and then see if I like that. If that's something that I like, then I don't see why that would be a big deal to add into my actual painting. Okay, now I also have a purple glitter though. I don't have a lot of this one, but I can always go buy more before I decide to actually put it on the big 4-foot geode, obviously. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my Mod Podge and I am just going to paint a really quick line around the edge here. There we go. I don't want it to go all the way in, so I'm just sort of putting it wherever. Sorry. My husky is singing in the background in case you guys can't hear her. She wants some major attention right now. And I just got done cuddling with her. Maybe I got up too soon and she's mad at me. I don't know. So I'm only going to do half though. Reason being is because I'm going to try both the glitters on the one image. I don't want to waste any glitter and waste ink on doing that many different pictures. I just don't feel like that would be beneficial. All the extra glitter though, I can go ahead and put right back into this bag. So. Oh, that's cool. I do like that. Okay, now let's Mod Podge the rest of this. Y'all, I'm getting better. I used to say Mod Podge all the time. And I even had someone make fun of me for it. But it's just habit. I don't know. I actually never looked at the title when I was younger. And so that's what I had learned from someone else. And so that's what I ended up saying all the time. Apparently that is incorrect. It is Mod Podge. Good to know. Random factoid of the day. Okay. Oops. Now I got some all over me. Cool. Okay. Let's do the purple. Okay. So now that they're both on here, I can take a look and see whether or not I want glitter or whether I just want to do a little or a lot. Like it doesn't, this is where you can evaluate without messing around too much. So I don't think I like the purple. I think it's too bright in contrast to this color shift that I have here. And it does match the rose gold leaf a little bit, but I'm not really sure. This one though, it pulls right into the color shift, pulls into my teal and my pinks because it's got like a shine to it depending on when you switch the color too. So it sort of also has a color shift to it. I think that this is the one that I would want to go with if I do this at all. So another thing that you can do is you can fold it, get rid of that half so you're not even seeing it. So look at that, y'all. That looks fantastic. I actually think I will do that then. So I like this. Let's leave that there. Now we can go on to one of the bigger ones, the whole picture one. And what I want to do in this scenario is I have my Craft Smart paint pens. These I just got at, I don't know, I think it was Michael's. And I can take the pen. Now, of course, this pen is super little, and so I will have to probably actually paint the line on or get a different pen. But I can check and see whether or not I would enjoy having paint lines on here. So you just paint it on just like you would anything else. And I'm not making it straight, I'm making them crazy. I think it's a lot more fun that way. You can even go over top of certain flaws that may have occurred during your geode process. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Let's keep that one going. Let's see if we can. I like this. Okay. You know, normally I'm not a big fan of lines. Maybe that's just because I'm too afraid to put them on without trying it out first. So this I learned, and I'm really excited I did because I think this is brilliant. You know, I don't know if I like the purple right here though. I like it here. I don't like it here. See, and that's why this is so perfect. Let's see. So maybe I might like white though. So we can try white right on top of it. I mean, it kind of gets soaked in, but you know. White there isn't bad, but I don't really have white on the breast. Now here's another problem that I came across. I'm probably gonna have to for sure do purple lines up here because this little section, I know it's so hard for you guys to see, but this little section is actually white from underneath that somehow did not get covered by my dumbass. So I might have to do a purple line here just to like frame this black maybe. That might actually be a really good way to go about it. Let's see. That's not bad. I do like that. Now, I didn't like the purple line here. I don't like the white line here either. I wonder if maybe I did like another cool, crazy purple line from here. Maybe have it come close and go up, away, close again, and up again. Ooh, that's pretty cool. And that helps fill up some of my negative space with the black too. But then it doesn't really fit over there. Maybe if I'm just doing it closer to the rose gold leaf. See, and this is exactly what goes through my brain whenever I'm doing these things. Like, I don't know whether or not I'm gonna like it. I don't know if it's something that I should keep. But that actually looks pretty cool. And then I can even do a second line super close to this one. Excuse me. Okay, so I do like that actually. That's pretty cool. I don't like the white line though. So now what I'm gonna have to do to figure out whether or not this is something I wanna keep is to try it on the second piece of paper. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly paint on an inner line of the glitter one more time, just to give that a really good view on whether or not these lines are even gonna look good with the glitter, because that's a whole nother thing. So just, you know, make sure that you're not doing too many pictures of these. I know some people use the app or different apps. I have Photoshop, Express, you know, things like that. But I find that it's very difficult using the app just because you're using your finger. You're not using a pen. You're not using a brush. And so I personally do not like it. I know plenty of other artists who do. And that's why I always tell people that you need to find your own art hand, because yours is going to be very different from mine. So let's pour this on. I'm very impatient, in case you couldn't tell. Okay, so not wasting any, so it's not a big deal. Oh, whoa, look at that. That looks cool. I don't think I would just want it there though. I mean, look how freaking pretty that is. And the lines look great with it. I wonder if it would look good right here where I ended up having to do that purple line. Let's give that a try. So you can't exactly do this on the app either, so. Ooh, I like that. This might be too many shiny things together though. That's the only problem that I have with this. I would have to offset it somehow over here, which now that this is done, I like this, but I'm not sure about it either. And so it's one of those things where you just kind of have to fight with yourself on whether or not you want to keep it. This is right on this side of the texture. So in order to keep it even, I would sort of have to do it right here. And I don't think I want to do that. Oh, this is so hard, y'all. I don't know, you guys, I keep thinking that it should be right here. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, that looks cool. That looks really cool, y'all. Okay, let's see if we should do any more lines because I'm liking this a lot. Okay, so I know that I like this. So something that you can do at this point is you can always take a picture of this so that way you remember what this is. I think I'm gonna add a couple purple lines in this though, because, or at least just one. Maybe this is where I could do a thick one, but it's too much negative space right here, and that's what I want to get rid of. So, because you can always add more from there. I can always, the other thing that you can do is take another picture once you're done with this layer and do it again. But that's it. So, let me know if you guys like this video by giving me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or just comments, go ahead and comment them below. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that way you don't miss any of my new videos when I put them out or when I go live. I will be teaching this beautiful acrylic painting live. It's I'll do a lot bigger though, and I'm trying to have something printed out and ready for y'all to use as a tracing behind your canvases, so that way you can have a really nice mandala on top of your painting. So I know a lot of people worry about their hand and the shakiness of it and all that good stuff. So I'm trying to help everyone out with that. So stay tuned and hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching.